Established in 2010, Fujian Deale Electrical and Mechanical Company Limited focuses on the research, development and manufacturing of log multi-blade saw machine, square timber multi-blade saw machine, edger machine, split layer machine, and wood processing automatic production lines, and participates in drafting the national industry standard of woodworking circular saw in China to regulate the production of multi-blade saw machine. Up to now, it has owned many invention patents and dozens of utility model patents, and passed China ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, Russia EAC certification, European Union CE certification. We understand that high-quality products are inseparable from advanced processing technology, so the company is equipped with several Japanese processing center, laser cutting machine, robot welding, CNC bending, and other advanced equipment to pay attention to and solve all kinds of woodworking machinery problems. At present, our products are distributed in more than 40 countries and regions all over the world. We are committed to providing customers with the most innovative wood processing solutions and the most sincere after-sales service, with our advanced technical advantages and harsh precision, as well as more than 10 years of operating experience in the industry, so as to meet the unique needs of customers and create the maximum value for customers. We pay attention to equipment, but more attention to customer experience, not only to let customers identify with our products and brands, but also to let customers get better service experience.